Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Clientology Daily Insights. As always, I'm your host, Jeff Bourgeois, and here is a topic I'm really excited about. I find people see the diagnostic, they see the book, and they wonder, how do I do this? What we do, we have this clientology diagnostic that we've created. We help our clients create their own diagnostic. And simply put, the diagnostic's entire job is to help a potential prospect decide whether they're a fit to work with you or not. And so we have it laid out. You'll see here is our promised result right in the center. On the sides of the triangle, we have our core areas. And then around the edge, for each core area, we have 3 projects that we're going to work on. And a lot of people think, oh, I can't simplify. This isn't everything I do. I couldn't do that. That's not the point. This is how do we distill it down to its simplest piece so that if somebody doesn't ever work with us again, or if they just work with us for a little while, we want to give them the most impact in the shortest, quickest time period. Now, for the record, your signature system would probably have 5 stages. That's another tool that we teach. We are focusing on your top 3 stages, and you might have 100 steps to your signature system. We focus on your top 9, and we put the order. There is a lot of effort that goes into thinking about this. You do this work once, your business will benefit from it. Even if it's just the clarity of who do you serve, how do you help them. So as you see, we have the diagnostic here, and our core promise is at the very top. So this is the title of the book. We're going to have a subtitle. Part 1 of the book is the introduction part. And in that introduction, the goal is for them to, your reader, your ideal client, or your perfect prospect, or your key strategic partner, they're going to read the first part of the book, and very quickly they're going to be able to answer, why should they talk to you? Why is now a good time to do it? And do I really truly have the problem that this person solves? So the introduction is really meant to give them a quick, they can decide at this point, do I read the whole book? So headings we have in there, we usually have a my promise to you, we're going to have an introduction, and we almost always have who should read this book. We want to be really literal. We want to make it very clear. Here's who we think should read the book. So typically you're going to have 2 audiences. One is the advisors who help businesses solve problems, or your clients solve their problems. And then you're going to have the clients looking to get their problem solved. Now, parts 2, 3, and 4, these are based on your 3 core areas and your 3 projects for each area. So project 1 through 9. And then the very last part of the book, the final part, is the next steps. And so in this part, under the formula, we're going to share your system, your signature system. We're going to invite them if they want to work with us. Here's how they can. And then last but not least, we're going to answer any frequently asked questions. And again, the goal is just to give them some clarity. So I'll show you as an example. I'm working on a project where we are working to help busy professionals in Atlanta get better clients. So the promise is a steady stream of dream clients for professionals in Atlanta. Part 1 is our introduction. We talk about why they'd want to work with Clientology, why now. We have the diagnostic, which I've shared earlier. In part 2, our core area, part 2, is helping them get ready. So we show them how to identify their dream clients. We show them how to build a signature system. And key strategic partners would be there. Let me just fix that. See, that's the beautiful thing with our quick process. We try to get things done. We'll fix as we go. So we always want to get the minimum viable product out there. We always fix. Under part 3, our aim section is authority books. influential interviews, and meaningful masterminds. So we help people write books. We then show them how to launch an interview series or a podcast. And last but not least, how to host a mastermind. Now, in part four, our fire stage of clientology, we show them how to scale, how to build the technology in, and how to build the team. So scaling, we're looking at eliminating; technology, we're looking at automating; and team, we're looking at delegating. And then part five, we go through our clientology growth system where we show people exactly how we help them get the results. We have an invitation. If anybody wants to work with us, here's what it looks like. And then we have some frequently asked questions. Now, a lot of people, they don't like to share the details. We put it in right in the book, exactly what it's like to work with us. And we do that because we want to be transparent, and really, truly, we don't want to waste your time. If your budget to solve a problem is 5,000 and our program is 10, it's not any point in us trying to convince you, because the reality is it's over your budget, it's over your budget. So that is how we take the diagnostic and we break it down into the elements of the book. This is literally our secret ingredient. This is our core process. We share this so that if somebody wants to try it on their own, they're welcome to. If you encounter challenges, we're here to help, and we'd love to talk to you about how we at Clientology can help you.